If you've switched to Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, or you're thinking about making the jump, there's one big question that probably keeps coming back to your mind. What about my Windows apps? Maybe it's that one accounting tool, that favorite game launcher, a niche office application, or some old utility you've been using for years. A lot of people love the stability and freedom of Linux, especially something as beginner-friendly as Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. But they hesitate because they don't want to lose access to essential Windows software. And that's exactly where Bottles comes in and completely changes the game. Let's start with the real-world scenario. You install Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. You enjoy the smooth Cinnamon desktop, the clean layout, the lightweight performance, and the fact that your system isn't constantly pushing updates or collecting telemetry. Everything feels fast and under your control. But then you remember that one Windows-only app you need for work, study, or gaming. In the past, this would have meant either setting up a full virtual machine, dual booting with Windows, or struggling with complicated Wine configurations. For beginners, that used to be intimidating. But in 2026, the experience is very different, and Bottles makes it incredibly simple. Bottles is essentially a modern graphical interface built around Wine, the compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. Wine itself has been around for decades, but configuring it manually can be confusing, especially for new users. You have to deal with prefixes, libraries, different Windows versions, DLL overrides, and various performance tweaks. Bottles takes all of that complexity and wraps it into a clean, user-friendly application that feels right at home on Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. When you install Bottles from the software manager on Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, the process is straightforward. You search for Bottles, click Install, and within a few moments, it's ready to launch. The interface is modern and intuitive. Instead of talking about prefixes and low-level configurations, Bottles talks about bottles. Each bottle is like a self-contained environment for a specific Windows application or group of applications. This means you can create separate environments for different apps, and they won't interfere with each other. Imagine you want to install a Windows productivity app. You open Bottles, create a new bottle, and choose the environment type. You might see options optimized for applications, gaming, or custom setups. For a beginner, this is incredibly helpful because you don't have to understand what all those technical settings mean. You just choose the profile that matches your use case. Bottles then automatically configures the right Wine version, dependencies, and settings behind the scenes. Once the bottle is created, you simply click to run an installer. You select the Windows executable file, and Bottles handles the rest. It launches the installer just like it would on Windows. You go through the familiar installation steps, clicking Next, agreeing to terms, choosing installation directories, and before you know it, the application is installed inside its own isolated bottle. You can then create shortcuts, add it to your application menu, and launch it like any other app on Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. What makes this especially powerful in the Linux versus Windows 2026 conversation is how seamless it feels. In the past, people would say, Linux can't run Windows apps, or you'll need to keep Windows for compatibility. But now, with tools like Bottles, the line between Linux and Windows is much less rigid. You can run many Windows applications directly on Linux without the overhead of a virtual machine and without rebooting into another operating system. Performance is another major factor. When you run Windows apps through a virtual machine, you're essentially emulating an entire operating system. That means more RAM usage, more CPU overhead, and often less performance. Bottles, using Wine, translates Windows API calls into Linux equivalents in real time. This is much lighter on system resources. On Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, which is already optimized for efficiency, this means you can run certain Windows apps surprisingly smoothly, even on mid-range or older hardware. Now let's talk about gaming because that's often where the Linux versus Windows debate gets heated. Many gamers still rely on Windows because of game compatibility. However, with Wine improvements, Proton developments, and tools like Bottles, Running Windows games on Linux has become much more realistic. In Bottles, you can create a gaming bottle that includes performance tweaks and compatibility layers designed specifically for games. You can install game launchers, individual games, or even specific components like DirectX libraries, all within the graphical interface. For Linux Mint 22.3 Zena users, this means you don't necessarily need to keep a Windows partition just to play a few titles. While not every single game will work perfectly, the number of compatible titles continues to grow. And even when something doesn't work out of the box, Bottles often provides options to tweak settings without forcing you to dive into complex terminal commands. You can change the Windows version emulation, enable or disable certain libraries, or switch the Wine-Runner version with just a few clicks. One of the most underrated features of Bottles is its isolation model. Each bottle is separate. So if one application breaks, crashes, or needs a very specific configuration, it won't affect your other apps. This is actually cleaner than how Windows handles many applications by default, where everything shares the same system registry and environment. In Bottles, you can have one bottle configured to behave like Windows 10, another like Windows 7, and another optimized for gaming with custom performance flags. It's flexible, organized, and surprisingly powerful. From a productivity perspective, this is huge. Let's say you need a specialized business tool that only runs on Windows. Instead of abandoning Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, you can simply create a bottle and install that tool. You continue enjoying Linux for everything else: development, browsing, media, updates, security, and system control. You only use the Windows app inside its contained environment when necessary. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. Security is another angle worth discussing. In 2026, security concerns are more important than ever. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena already benefits from the underlying security model of Linux, with strong user permissions and less exposure to common malware targeting Windows systems. When you run a Windows application inside Bottles, it's still subject to Linux's security model. It doesn't have the same system-wide access it would typically have on a native Windows installation. And because each bottle is isolated, potential issues are confined to that environment. This doesn't mean you should run suspicious Windows executables without caution, but it does add an extra layer of separation compared to running everything natively on Windows. In the Linux versus Windows 2026 debate, this becomes a strong argument for users who care about privacy and security but still need occasional Windows compatibility. Another major advantage is control over versions. Bottles allows you to choose different wine runners, including community builds optimized for performance or compatibility. On Windows, you're often locked into whatever version of the system you're running. If an app breaks after an update, you might have limited options. On Linux Mint 22.3 Zena with Bottles, you can switch to a different runner version for a specific bottle without affecting your entire system. That level of control is empowering. Let's also talk about updates and maintenance. On Windows, applications frequently install background services, auto-start entries, and various system-level integrations. Over time, that can clutter your system. With Bottles, everything related to a Windows app stays inside its bottle. If you no longer need the app, you can delete the bottle and it's gone. Clean removal. No leftover registry keys scattered across the system. This makes long-term maintenance much easier. For beginners, the psychological barrier of Linux can't run my Windows apps is often bigger than the technical barrier. Bottles addresses that psychological concern by offering a familiar installation experience. You download an .exe file, you double-click it through Bottles, and you follow a setup wizard. It feels comfortable. It doesn't force you to learn a new paradigm immediately. And as you grow more confident, you can explore advanced settings at your own pace. In 2026, the conversation is no longer about choosing one side and completely abandoning the other. It's about flexibility. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena gives you a stable, modern desktop environment with strong performance and customization. Bottles fills the compatibility gap for Windows applications. Together, they create a workflow that was much harder to achieve a decade ago. Of course, it's important to be realistic. Not every Windows application will run perfectly. Some apps with heavy DRM, kernel-level drivers, or deep system integrations may not work as expected, but the list of compatible software keeps expanding. For many users, especially those with a few essential Windows apps, Bottles is more than enough. The real shift in the Linux versus Windows 2026 debate is this. You no longer need to stay on Windows just because of one or two programs. With Linux Mint 22.3 Zena and Bottles, you can move to Linux as your primary operating system and still keep access to the tools you depend on. That changes the decision-making process entirely. If you're someone who's been on the fence, thinking, I love the idea of Linux, but I can't give up my Windows software, Bottles might be the missing piece. It reduces friction. It lowers the learning curve. It gives you options. And in technology, having options is powerful. So the next time someone says Linux isn't ready because of Windows app compatibility, you can confidently point to your Linux Mint 22.3 Zena desktop, open Bottles, launch that Windows application seamlessly, and keep working or gaming without missing a beat. That's the reality of 2026. The gap is smaller, the tools are better, and the choice is finally yours.